Want to use your Google Wi-Fi system with a Spectrum modem? It's a great way to improve your home network coverage and performance. This video will show you how to do it, focusing on setting up the primary point and configuring the WAN connection. First, you'll need a Spectrum modem and a Google Wi-Fi system like Google Nest Wi-Fi or Google Wi-Fi 7. The key is to put your Spectrum modem into bridge mode. This turns off its built-in Wi-Fi and routing, allowing your Google Wi-Fi router to take over. Access your Spectrum modem settings. This can usually be done by going to 192.168.0.1 in your web browser or through the Spectrum app or website. Look for settings labeled Bridge Mode or IP Pass-Through and enable it. If you can't find the setting, contact Spectrum support. They can usually enable it remotely. Once bridge mode is enabled on the Spectrum modem, proceed to the next step. Now that your Spectrum modem is in bridge mode, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port or the designated WAN port on newer models to the WAN port on your Google Wi-Fi primary point. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Google Wi-Fi network. The app should automatically detect the internet connection from your Spectrum modem. If the app doesn't detect it automatically, you may need to manually configure the WAN settings. Usually, DHCP is the correct setting. Run a speed test using a service like Ookla Speed Test to ensure you're getting the speeds you're paying for from Spectrum. Finally, explore the Google Home app for additional features like guest Wi-Fi, family Wi-Fi, and device prioritization. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected your Google Wi-Fi system to your Spectrum modem, creating a faster, more reliable, and more secure home network.